I'm Zach Iskra. I'm Tyler House.
And I'm Webster Gilly, and I'm your host for today. Today, we're going to do an experiment called Galileo's theory of the gravity on falling objects. What that means is, we're going to be testing objects of different shapes and sizes, weights and masses, and see which one hits the ground first, or which ones hit the ground at the same time, or if it really makes a difference. And we're going to have two experiments. One is going to be with a tennis ball and a baseball, and one is going to be with a ping pong ball and a golf ball. And Zach down there, say hey Zach. Zach down there is going to observe our results and tell us which one hits the ground first or last. Our first experiment is going to be a tennis ball and a baseball. And I'm going to attempt to drop these off the ledge, and Zach down there is going to see which one hits the ground first, or if it's at the same time. Ready, Zach?
Ready.
3, 2, 1.
They both hit the ground at the same time.
Alright, as you can see, the results for experiment number 1, I dropped the tennis ball and the baseball off at the same time, and they fell to the ground at the same rate, hit the ground at the same time. Now with our second experiment, and our last experiment, we're going to take a ping pong ball and the golf ball, and I'm going to do the same thing as I just did, see which one hits the ground first, or if they hit the ground at the same time. Ready, Zach?
Ready.
I'm going to drop it in 3, 2, 1.
The golf ball hit first.
Alright, and there you have it. In our second experiment, the golf ball hit the ground first. So there you have it. The tennis ball and the baseball, in our first experiment, both the objects hit the ground at the same time. In the second experiment, the golf ball hit first. So what that means is the tennis ball and the baseball don't have any recognizable difference in their weights or masses, therefore hit the ground at the same time. The golf ball, however, is very much bigger and heavier than the ping pong ball, and that's why it hit the ground first. And that concludes our experiment on Galileo's theory of the gravity of falling objects. I'm Webster, Tyler's the cameraman, and Zach is our catcher. And that's all, folks. Thank you.